Good morning. Here's a look outside right now. We've got some slick conditions out there in a lot of the valley. You can see on our view here in our Storm Team Skycam network, the interstate's looking pretty good, though it does look like there are some wet areas on the interstate. But the real trouble spots are those side streets, those neighborhood roads where they have not been treated. And we're talking just ice rinks out there, just covered in ice. We all experienced that heading into work here this morning in Fargo, and there are going to be other places dealing with that too. And that's, of course, as a result of what we saw yesterday. The snow started coming down early in some areas. Some of us waited until a little later to get the snow. This one was taken in the morning hours in Perham. Thanks, Donna, for sharing your photo with us. And a couple of inches of snow in some spots here with this latest round. And that melted on some of those streets. And as those temperatures dropped, that just solidified, and we're looking at ice out there now this morning. You can see most of us have quieted down. We're looking at just a few spotty areas of light snow to some flurries here in the valley. The main band or cluster of snow showers is east of us over into the Arrowhead of Minnesota and along Lake Superior there. Here's a look at our temperatures. We are into the 20s and teens this morning, which isn't terrible to start off in the morning hours, but we do have some strong winds, and we're just not going to warm up much. We're only going to see maybe a few degrees added to this here today for your highs. So the way it is in the morning will feel just the same as you're heading home from work here today as well. Some teens again out west and some 20s in the east. And factor in that wind. And here's a look at our wind chill map. We are down to 2 in Devil's Lake and over into Langdon. That's what it feels like to be out in this. 10 degrees in Fargo and in Grand Forks, and it feels like we're in the single digits in parts of our eastern viewing area too. And that is thanks, of course, to the combination of those colder temperatures and this wind blowing in out of the northwest. We've had some gusts still even this morning into the low 30s at times. So it's going to be unpleasant out there with a little blowing snow and, of course, the low wind chills affected by that wind. A look at our hour-by-hour planner. We're going to see some temperatures today, again, just kind of holding steady or only rising a little bit, despite the fact that we're going to see the clouds move on. We'll see more sunshine as we head into the afternoon. At highs today, low to upper 20s basically here in the valley. And the wind will still be a bit brisk. We might not see those 30-mile-per-hour gusts this afternoon, but we'll still be getting some wind speeds that are strong enough to make it feel even colder out there for you. So again, a chilly day today, one that does end up more on the sunny, bright side before the sun sets this evening. And then heading into later tonight, we're looking at some mainly clear skies, but the next round of cloud cover and chances for snow moves in for tomorrow. Starting up in the overnight hours tonight, you could see more clouds building in by tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the teens to start off. And then we're looking at a couple of rounds of isolated light snow showers. That's especially the case in northwest Minnesota, where we'll see some isolated patchy areas of snow. And that will continue again into the nighttime hours for your Thursday night. So by 4 o'clock tomorrow, high temperatures. Most of us in the 20s. We might see a couple of places that don't make it out of the teens. So we've got some really cold air taking over now for the valley this week. And you can see more snow showers trying to drop in even around 7 and 10 o'clock into tomorrow night. So here's a look at your photo today. Breakfast time in Lake Park yesterday. You can see there's some snow in the background there too. Thanks, Rick, for sharing that. And here's a look at your 7-day planner. Again, colder air really will be the story for the next stretch here. We're looking at chances for a couple of snow showers, one again tomorrow. That won't be numerous, but still the potential's there, especially east. And then again, heading into the weekend at highs, only in the 20s, and our morning lows, teens to even some single digits to start off. So bundle up, have your heavy coat ready to go each day over the next week because you'll need it. You'll want it.
No kidding. All right. Thank you, Lisa. Stay with us ahead here on the Valley today. We have the election results from a few of the sheriff's races.